Ndewo, ahambi Ijoma Kubuene Wataragi Igbo. Okay, this video series is an answer to questions I've got from previous clients about what are the best ways to study Igbo, or I'm working a long shift every day. How do I find the time to speak Igbo? Okay, these things will help you. Okay, and we've already dealt with in two previous videos. We've already dealt with how to make a new habit of studying Igbo. Okay, and we've already dealt with how to find a language partner. Today, we are going to be discussing using different media to learn Igbo. What do I mean by that? Okay, you can learn Igbo through like video lessons, like you're watching me and listening. Okay, you can also learn it just by audio, just by listening and not watching. You can also learn by reading books or downloading PDFs and reading them. So this is different medias, and depending on what you're doing. So if you're driving, for instance, you can just put the audio or even the video, but you're not actually watching it. You're just listening to the sounds, okay, and learning along as you're driving. Or maybe you're in the house, you're focusing on another task, you're maybe cooking or cleaning. You can just put that video in the background and just be listening, okay? All right? Or maybe when it's your bedtime, you don't want to watch video, you're trying to wind down. You know, normally when it's your bedtime, you're not supposed to be watching too much, watching the screens and things like that, so that your brain can settle down for the sleep. Okay, in that case, reading a book is good. Then you can get your Igbo book or PDF that you've printed out and just read 2 or 3 sentences, okay, just before you go to bed. Okay, so these are different ways you can learn. So using different media to learn will help you, okay, and this is something you can do today. You can either watch videos, audios, or read what you are learning. Okay, see you in the next video. And just to remind you, the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is open, okay? And this time it's running for 4 good months. You have weekly calls and weekly challenges, lots of good stuff there. Just click the link below to see, to register. Also click the link below if you want to watch this series all in one go, because I have the 7 points all together in a video. I'm releasing them little by little here. But if you want it all in one go, click the link below, sign up and watch it all together. Ngwanu kodi o na asụkwa Igbo.